start, go to the Actions and bring the Animate node. Set a name for the open door animation. Now, open the mesh properties for one of the doors. Activate mapping and click on the rotation Y to save the current position. Now, open the other door and repeat the same step. Change the frame duration to 60 and slide the frames bar till the end. Activate mapping again for the open position of the doors and set the different angle. Here I put 45 and minus 45 for the doors. In this way, you can reverse the animation to close the doors. We will get there in a second. Change the animate properties. You can also try different options. Duplicate the node and change the name. Clicking on the name minimizes the node. Bring now the sequencer. Set a name and add the number of steps. Connect the open doors to the first step and the closing one to the second step. And don't forget to inverse the animation. Click on a mesh while holding Ctrl and Shift to open the mesh properties and connect the sequencer. We are done! Now you can open and close the doors by clicking on it. That's it for now.